Napoleon is making it easy to take your backyard barbecue anywhere, from your condo's balcony to the campsite and to the big game, where you can display your grilling expertise in any location. With 6 models available in a variety of colors and fuel types, including natural gas, propane, and electric, you're sure to find your perfect grill. Get the fire going with instant Jetfire ignition and 2-piece porcelainized cast iron iconic wave cooking grids guarantees excellent heat retention and those distinctive Napoleon sear marks. With a cooking grid area of 285 square inches, Napoleon's portable grills are large enough to use as your full-time backyard grill, allowing you to cook up to 19 burgers at once. Keep the fire going at just the right heat with the ultra-precise AccuProbe temperature gauge. Safely and instantly read the internal temperature of your grill with a smoking and searing range built in to ensure you're obtaining the best results. Enjoy all of the features of your grill for years to come, as the solid engineering and high-quality stainless steel hardware components ensure long-lasting performance and are backed by an industry-leading 10-year warranty.